Hey guys, so this is my new updated mLauncher app. Well, of course, you never had it before. It's brand new to you. Sorry about the camera. I'm trying my damnedest. Anyways, basically, this is a home launcher replacement only for Android TV. It displays not only your regular lean back apps, but the apps that you've sideloaded. Now, what else can it do? Let's look. Now, we've got our quick settings over here. I changed that up. I didn't like the way the old one was turning out. Just too many things going on there. So first thing is we fix the wallpapers. Any picture that you have on slash SD card slash pictures is now eligible to be set as a wallpaper, if that is your thing. Oh man, that Stormtrooper is so awesome. Anyways, so if you haven't done this before, you got reboot to recovery, you've got a setting shortcut, you've got your sleep shortcut, overscan capabilities. Obviously, you got power off, and you have a shortcut to your apps. That way, if you want to install, delete, or do anything to your apps and you want to get there quickly, which I find very handy. All right, so this is pretty much it. Buy it 6 times, maybe seven. I don't know, joking, but I hope you enjoy my app and have a great day or night.